Hi friends, Saurav here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the example of package. Actually, in my last tutorial I have explained you the definition of package and syntax of package, and the same thing we are going to see today with example actually. Okay, so as I told you earlier that we have to create package specification first, then we have to create package body. So that is what I'm going to do today. I'm going to create a package specification first, then I'll create package body, and in that package body I'll write one function and a procedure, and after that I'll just let you know how to call that function and procedure from outside of the package or in another code actually. Okay, so let's start the tutorial. Okay, so this is what I have written here as package specification. The syntax is explained already in my last tutorial. Here I'm just going to give you an example. So here I have create or replace package. This is the name of the package, pkg and pkg underscore ysc. You can write anything, this is as per your choice, and the keyword is. Then here we used to write what we are going to actually do, what we are going to actually create. So first of all I am going to create function, so I have written function, then the name of the function, return varchar2. This is the return type, and I'm going to create a procedure. So I have written here procedure, then the name of the procedure, proc underscore get name, and the parameter I have passed here two parameters, f name and l name. Both are of varchar2 type, and end the package. So this is how we used to specify what we are going to do in the package body actually. Okay. Alright, so before that I just want to tell you that if you're not knowing about function and procedure, I'll give you a link in description below. Just watch about function and procedure first, then you will get to know about the package and how we are creating the function. Alright, so let's come down. So here we have created package specification. Now we are going to create package body. For that I have written here create or replace package, then the keyword body. As I told you that when we create package body, this keyword is important. So create or replace package body, pkg underscore ysc. This is the same thing what I have written in the specification actually. I'll show you here, pkg underscore ysc. So same thing I have mentioned. Then the keyword is, and here I have written function. Okay, so I have written a short function just to understand how to write the function in procedure. So you have to write the keyword function, then the name of the function what you have mentioned here, name of the function, then return varchar2 type, whatever return type we want, then the keyword is, and begin. And here I have simply I'm returning a string which is of your smart code, which is actually written here, your smart code, using this return keyword. So this is how I have written a function, a small function. Okay, and let's get down. Here I have written a procedure proc underscore get name, and here both the parameters I have passed, then the keyword is, and begin. And here I have written a simple insert query, insert into test. This is the name of the table, and this table is having two columns, first name and last name, and this is I'm getting populated. I'm going to get populated using these two parameters what I have passed here, and the procedure. Then after writing this we have to end the package using end keyword and the name of the package. So this is how we used to write package body actually. So let's create package specification and package body. For that let me copy this, Control C, and paste in a SQL workshop here, Control V, and run this code. So as you can see our package got created. Now let's jump to Sublime Text and create package body as well. So let's copy this and paste here. Before that delete the old one and paste package body and run this code. So as you can see our package body got created successfully. Now let's jump to Sublime Text. We have created the package actually. So now we will see how to call the function and procedure what we have written inside the package. Okay, so here I have written the same thing actually, how to call function written inside the package. So things are very simple how we used to call normal function actually. The only extra thing we are adding here that see, as I have written dbms underscore out package, and extra thing what I have added is the name of the package name dot the function. So this is actually we have to add when we are calling anything from our package actually, package name dot the name of the database object actually. So here, as we are calling function, so I have written pkg underscore ysc dot get string. This is the name of the function. And the same way here I'm calling procedure, the name of the package pkg underscore ysc dot the procedure name, and here I am passing two parameters as I have declared in my package body actually. So this is how we can call the function and procedure which is actually written inside the package. So I'll show you both the thing. Let me copy this, Control C, and paste in our SQL workshop here, and paste it here. Then run the function first. You will get a string as your output. So as you can see, we got the output as your smart code what we have written inside our function. Okay, and let me run this code. Before that, let me show you that is there any data or not in our test table. Okay, so select start from test, run this. As you can see, we don't have any data, no data found. Now run this code, run this procedure which is actually written inside the package. Run this, and we got the output statement processed. Now run this select start from test code, and as you can see, we got the output as first name as Mark and last name as Herd. So this is how we can deal with our function and procedure written inside the package. Hope the examples are clear to you. For any confusion or doubt, you can let me know in comment box. I'll give you more examples as well in package. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Thank you very much.